Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. We are currently pulling out to our field that has soybeans in it, soybeans, and we are going to run the combine a little bit and see if they're ready to harvest. So, won't you come farming with us? So right now we're just waiting on Joseph. He is just doing a few strips and then making some room to turn around in the field. He just did like the closest pass to the barn that he could with the beans. Got the head down, so pretty cool. It's always fun when harvest starts. So we're just kind of waiting here, trying to get some cool footage of it, and I guess we'll find out what the verdict is soon. We did test corn maybe 2 days ago, and it was around 19, which Joseph says he usually likes it around 16 or 17 before we go. So, you know, if we have a couple hot days, maybe in a week we'll be doing corn, but probably soybeans first if they'll go, because that's usually what we try to do first, and corn's last. So another thing, I'm just kind of walking in the path he went, he did. You can look down here, there's a few beans on the ground, right? That's kind of normal. Now, if there was a lot, that wouldn't be good, because obviously we want to pick up as many soybeans as we can off the ground. But that is something that you kind of look for when you're first starting to go, because you want to know that your settings are right on your combine. Joseph would know more, and maybe he'll explain to us, you know, what you can adjust to make that better. Obviously, I assume the newer equipment will probably be more accurate at getting as many soybeans picked up as possible rather than older equipment, but it can just kind of depend on the machine. Okay, so what are you doing? Looking for beans. Okay, you want to get down? So were you like chewing on one?
Yeah, I do.
Like, so if it just kind of crunches, splits in half?
Yeah. They're squishy. Absolutely. I
So
mean, you don't want them to really crunch, but
okay.
I think the owner's saying like 10, 11.
10 or 11, is that what you want?
Yeah. I mean, that's plenty dry.
So you're gonna keep going?
Well, yeah.
Cool. I was kind of trying to explain how, like, if there's a lot of, you know, if you find a lot of soybeans on the ground after you do a pass, like, that's something you need to, like, adjust in your settings. Can you explain a little bit of that?
Yeah, so there's soybeans on the ground. Obviously, they're coming across the chaff or the sieve or whatever, so you gotta open that up. You don't want to open it up too much to let trash fall through into your clean grain, but yeah, you don't want it to shoot out the back. That's just lost money.
Okay.
This doesn't look terrible. We need to adjust a little bit.
Okay. Cool. So, are you gonna have a late night? No?
We'll quit as soon as the sun goes down.
Oh, okay. But you're gonna keep going?
Yeah. Things will get tough after it starts to get humid.
Okay. It gets tough to combine it.
Yeah, it's just harder on your combine, so you just quit and do it when they're dry during the day.
Okay. Cool. Sounds good. between the rear axles, that is where the excess stalk or debris is gonna come out of. So the soybeans will be put kind of in a chamber behind the cab up there, and I'll show you that later. And then that part that is moving basically shoves the trash out, which in farming terms, trash means like the rest of the stalk or the stem that you don't want. And I think he's just kind of looking at different things and adjusting them based on what he thinks needs to be done. Well, it's dry enough, so until the sun goes down or until the combine tells us otherwise, we will be harvesting beans. Woohoo! Praise God.